Hi everyone, I'm Yunnie. Welcome to Kimchi Avocado by Yunnie Kim. I grew up in Santa Monica, California. While my family has always been in the restaurant business, in my first career, I spent over 15 years in the fashion industry. Now, I'm a mom, a wife, and a restaurateur. I'm excited to share my family recipes, blending fresh ingredients and inspiration from Southern California with my Korean heritage. Join me to celebrate how food connects people, brings family together, and creates community. From my family's kitchen to yours. Today we are going to make an Asian ribbon salad. I was inspired to make this Asian ribbon salad recipe after going to farmer's market and seeing all of these beautiful carrots. Did you know that they come in all these different colors? I like to feed my family a ton of different colored vegetables because they're packed with different nutrients. Let's get started making the dressing. This Asian style dressing is great because it has a little bit of spice, it has a little bit of saltiness, and a little bit of sweetness from the honey. I like to use coconut aminos in this recipe because they're gluten-free and my husband is gluten-free, so it's a great alternative to soy sauce, but you still get the same flavor. First, we're gonna grind up all of our ingredients in the mortar and pestle. Let's start with the garlic. Now we're gonna add the ginger. The ginger is what makes it a little bit of an Asian flavor. And then we're gonna add the chili oil, which I love a little heat in my dressing. I'm adding coconut aminos, rice vinegar. Now we're gonna add the sesame oil. I love the nuttiness. Smells so good. Now we're gonna add the honey, and the honey is really just gonna bring all the flavors together. It's gonna bring out the spiciness from the chili, the kick from the garlic, and the saltiness from the coconut aminos. Oh, you can smell the nuttiness from the sesame oil, and you can get all of the fragrance from the garlic and the ginger. This is gonna be delicious. Last but not least, we're gonna add lime zest and lime juice. I'm gonna give it a good roll, help get the juices rolling. So we're gonna zest right into our mortar and pestle. You just wanna zest until you get to the white pith. You don't wanna go much further than that because it gets to be really bitter. Now I'm gonna cut it in half. We're just gonna squeeze the lime juice right into the mortar and pestle. The lime juice is really gonna brighten up the salad. Give it a nice stir. Let's give it a taste. I like to taste while I'm cooking just to see if I need to add a little bit of salt or pepper or just the seasoning. That's good. It needs a little bit of salt. It's perfect. Now it's time to cut the vegetables. This is my favorite part of the salad because of the shape, and that's why it's called a ribbon salad. You can use a mandolin to shave the vegetables. I like to use this tool because it leaves this nice ridge and it picks up the dressing really beautifully so you can really taste all the different flavors. I love making this salad because these vegetables you can find all year long. Look at all of these colors, and the shape makes it so much fun to eat and look at. So to the carrots, now we're gonna add an English hothouse cucumber. I love adding the cucumber because it adds a fresh flavor, a different color. The green adds another beautiful color to this salad. It's great because you don't even need to peel the cucumber. You can just add the shavings right into the salad. Look at how beautifully this salad is coming together. All these colors are so gorgeous. So now this is where I bring the California to this salad with avocado. The avocado is the perfect addition to this salad because it adds a little creaminess and really balances out the crunchiness from all the vegetables. Look at that. Now let's finish it off with our dressing. Oh, I can't wait to try this. This is a perfect dish to bring to a picnic or as a side dish at a barbecue. Let's give the salad a little toss. You want to make sure that when you're tossing the salad that the dressing gets into all the grooves of the vegetables. Okay, now we're just going to top it off with some scallions and some fresh coriander And you can just tear these leaves off, sprinkle them right on top, and last but not least, some black sesame. And that is gonna really stand out against all of the different colors in the salad. And there you have it, Asian ribbon salad. Let's have a taste. That's so good. It really is a perfect balance of creaminess from the avocado. You get a little bit of crunch from the vegetables, a little bit of spice from the dressing. It really is a perfect salad to brighten your day. Have fun making this recipe. Add your own little twist to it. From my family's kitchen to yours, enjoy making this recipe. See you soon.